Navigating FDA inspections and audits for life sciences. Welcome to our detailed guide on FDA inspections and audits for life sciences organizations. In this video, we'll cover essential aspects of how to prepare for, navigate, and respond to FDA inspections, ensuring your facility meets regulatory standards. FDA inspections and audits are crucial for ensuring that medical devices, pharmaceuticals, biopharmaceuticals, diagnostics, and other biotech products meet rigorous safety, effectiveness, and quality standards. These inspections ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, including good manufacturing practices, GMP, quality systems regulations, QSR, quality management system regulation, QMSR, and help maintain the integrity of the life sciences industry. There are several types of FDA inspections: pre-approval inspections, which occur before a product is approved for market; routine inspections, which are regular assessments to ensure ongoing compliance; and for-cause inspections, triggered by specific concerns or reports of issues. Understanding the purpose and focus of each type is essential for effective preparation. Preparation is key to successfully navigating an FDA inspection. Establish a robust quality management system, QMS, that covers all aspects of the product lifecycle, including design, manufacturing, and post-market activities for medical devices, pharmaceuticals, biopharmaceuticals, and diagnostics. Try to conduct regular internal audits, maintain up-to-date documentation, and ensure that all employees are trained and aware of their roles during an inspection. During the inspection, FDA inspectors will review your documentation, interview staff, and inspect your facilities. It's important to be cooperative, transparent, and responsive to their inquiries. Ensure that all requested documents are readily available and that staff are prepared to answer questions accurately and confidently. Common findings during FDA inspections include documentation issues, process deviations, and non-compliance with GMP or QSR. In particular, issues with corrective and preventive actions, CAPAs, complaint handling, and design controls are frequently cited. Addressing these areas proactively can help you avoid common pitfalls. If the FDA identifies any issues during the inspection, they will issue an FDA Form 483 detailing their observations. Responding promptly and thoroughly is crucial. Provide a detailed corrective action plan that addresses each observation. Failure to respond appropriately can lead to further regulatory action, including warning letters or product recalls. After the inspection, it's important to implement the corrective actions outlined in your response to the FDA. Conducting follow-up audits help ensure these actions are effective and that your processes remain in compliance. Continuous monitoring and improvement are key to maintaining long-term compliance. Understanding and preparing for FDA inspections and audits are essential for maintaining compliance and ensuring the safety and effectiveness of your medical devices, pharmaceuticals, biopharmaceuticals, and diagnostics. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos on each aspect of the inspection process and other regulatory requirements. Contact eLeap today to learn more about our validated solutions and how we can help your organization. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.